Hello guys, I returned to my property today after the ugly incident with my neighbors. I took some time to cool off and to allow some trees which had shown signs of growth to grow. And today I will be pruning out all the dried branches and leaves to allow full fresh growth. I also felt this is a good time to make my presence known, so that we don't have a repeat of the incidents that occurred weeks ago. While some trees have grown back, there are others that got burnt completely, and I will just be pulling them out, and I will probably replace them in my next visit. I think staying away from my property for quite a long time gave my neighbors the leeway to vandalize my property, probably thinking I wouldn't return or I was gone for way too long. My banana farm is also neglected, and today we're just going to trim and prune and thin some of the trees, since most of them had been stolen, and whoever stole the bananas left the tree standing. Usually with bananas, when you harvest, you have to cut down the tree you've harvested from. So there's a lot of thinning and pruning of the dry leaves to do today. You also notice the bananas that are here are very small, and that's probably because we neglected them. They need to be fertilized every now and again. So I use organic fertilizer to fertilize my bananas, usually compost. There are also lots of shrubs and bushes around the bananas, which you'll also be clearing today. And we just want to leave this farm very clean, so that the neighbors know that we are around. After thinning and all the pruning, we'll weed the bananas, then apply the organic compost that we carried, and we are hoping for better harvests in the next season. I think it looks amazing. There's more space, and the sun can now penetrate the trees for better growth and better yield. And as always, we never leave the farm empty-handed. We have a banana to carry home. It's been raining heavily, and my next task is to make a driveway, since I cannot drive into the compound because of the type of soil that is here. The drainage is very poor, so the soil becomes soggy. After building my house, I had some building materials that were left. Most of the stones is what I'm going to be using today to make this driveway. These stones have been here for like over a year, and my biggest fear here is finding snakes, because I'm certain there are snakes living under here. And this one makes my hair stand on end. This work is really exhausting, but someone has to do it. And of late I've been embracing DIYs, because I noticed most of these things I can actually do myself instead of paying someone to do. So I just get a helping hand and I'm good to go. We just lost a snake here. The rain is about to fall, and I gathered some seedlings of arrowroot which I need to plant before the rain falls. Arrowroots do so well on swampy land, so we just plant them in water like you could do with rice, though they also do well on dry land. The rain falling on our backs is helping us cool off. We've been working since morning, and I'm honestly really hot and sweaty. It's getting intense, and I guess we'll have to just stop there. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next.